Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Reed and Ryan. Today we are going to be making brownies. The first step of making brownies, you have to put the mix in the bowl. Next thing you want to do is add in your ingredients. Add in 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Add in 1 egg. And 1/4 cup vegetable oil. The next thing you want to do is stir thoroughly. This, I believe, is the most important part of this whole cooking process because this really makes it so the brownies are as good as you want. So this is what you want. You want the brownies to look just like this, and that's how you know you're on the right track, okay? And make sure you don't leave any of the batter on the outside of your bowl. What I like to do, on the outside, then I bring it in and I turn the bowl. Let me show my viewers. I turn the bowl and I really get in there. Make sure you stir as long as you possibly can until your arms get tired. And see, right now, I don't see any batter on the outside, and I think that it is pretty well stirred up. And at the very end, it should look like this. It should seep right through because that is how you know you got a good batter. Also, remember to turn on your oven. Enjoy this short commercial break while we are getting our ingredients prepared. So yummy. Next up, what you want to do is evenly spread your mix across this whole pan. Make sure you use one of these spoon things, spatulas, to get all of it out, because I go with this spatula for all of my cooking shows, which I've done a lot. Once they're in, always go around the outside and make sure you get all of the batter, just like that, just like that. And then once it's in, spread it evenly all around. Next thing you want to do is put the brownies in the oven. Very nice, just like that.
Any way you want it, that's the way you need it. Any way you want it.
I'm so addicted to all the things you do when you're going down on me in between.